Programming and logic. So, have you ever wondered what is about programming and logic? But before we start, so let me introduce myself. I'm Lebisi Pokot. This is my video recording about programming and logic. So, this is my PowerPoint presentation. So, let's begin. So, introduction. Essentially, a programming is giving instruction to a machine in how to carry out particular task. Programming logic is something that must be understood and used in order to interact with computers. What enables developers to solve, use, to make apps, and construct software system in basic organization flow of operation. So, ang yung programming and logic, no? So, mo siya, ang kuha na ni, ang sabutan niya kay unsaon nimo paghimo og programming maghimo ka og software bitaw maghimo ka og software system nga kanang functional ba kanang ginagamit daw like ingan kaning buhat nako mo siya. So what is programming logic? The basic way programmers understand and organize their code to produce desired result is known as programming logic. So ano, basic ni siya, basic way programming. So dali ra siya masabtan no kay organize ang pud siya sa ang buhat niya. Ang code niya kay dali ra masabtan sa mga programming. Fundamentally, it involves decomposing issue into smaller, more manageable components and formulation a plan of action to address each one. So, gamay ra siya pero manageable kay ba? Component, ang yung mga component pod kay one, nag, na mga address ba sa usag usa nga dali ra siya mahibal-an. So, key elements of programming logic. First, sequence. Programming logic involves arranging commands in sequential order, allowing the computer to execute them one after another. So, ang sequence kay kung ano, kanang mag-execute siya og kuan una address sa tong sunod kay para dili sa maglibog bitaw. So, two, selection conditional statement. Condition or logical tests are used to direct the flow of a program. For instance, if-else statements allow the code to make decision based on a specific condition. So, ganing ko if-else ang example ni siya kay ang kibalik na kay kuan ng nakay code niya kung tagaan kaniya og 5 ang kuha nimo dito ang display sa ubos salamat pero kung dili kuan di siya kuan ning ibalik gamit ang kaning if else kung di siya madawat sa 5 dili niya dawaton so mo na siya iteration or loops. Loops enable are repetition of certain task until a condition is met. This helps the automating repetitive task in managing data efficiently. So kaning loops no kanang magbalik-balik bitaw ka. So for data structure, organized way to store and manage data within a program. Like example, arrays and list entries. So, mga example. No? So, organize sa mga imong mga data. Like imong mga gipang bitaw imong gipang gama ba. Mo ni siya example arrays and list entries. So, operators, symbols that perform operation on the data. So, mo ni siya like ni plus, minus, times, divide, or equals. So, mo na siya ng mga example sa operators. Why programming logic is important? 1. Programming solving is a logic helps in breaking down complex problems into smaller, manageable parts. This is simplification enables developer to solve problems systemically. So, ang ano, ang problem solving no kay mo ginagamit sa mga sa mga programmer para dali na bitaw ni mga bawaan ng parts yung asang mga mali ba. Efficient code writing. By using a logical structure, programmers can write code that is not only understandable but also efficient. It helps in avoiding redundancy and streamlining the execution process. So, kaning machine code kay kanang magamit sila og mga code niya kan daw dali ra siya ba sabtan ba sabotable kayo niya kanang efficient kay siya gamiton dili siya complicated dali ra siya mabaw-an. So enhancing in debugging skills, logically thinking assists in identifying errors within the code and debugging more effectively. It becomes easier to trace the flow of a program and identify where issue might be occur. So kaning ano, enhancing in debugging skills ko ma bitaw ka kanang mag-testing na kasi mong excuse. Mag Nag-testing na kasi imong program kung nabitaw mga debug bitaw like bali imbes imong kuan ing himo ka og system nga ang maka-access lang kay ang mga Pinoy nya pag kuan nimo imong pag-publish nimo kay nay naka-solve niya mga foreigner ba niya dapat imbes sa Pinoy ra to na naka-access ang mga kuan mga foreign people so muna siya ang enhancing in debugging skills so kailangan to nimo i-kuhaon tong na-debug niya para mawala na to. So fourth, coding foundation. It provide a strong foundation for learning any program language. So, ano, practice and practice lang gid ka kay para ma-kuan gid enhance imong ba coding. Yeah, mas dali ra ka makabuhat. So, 5. Efficiency. Regular practice in writing code helps reinforce programming logic. So, kani mo gini efficiency. Practice gid. Kung nakay oras nga para sa kuan gid coding, kana practice gid ka para imong kuan ba imong skills kay more ma-develop pa og samot mo kana lang proficient kasi imong kuan ba trabaho. Debugging, it helps you identify your fixed errors. So, matong gisulti nako no, tong debugging. Help sa imo tong ma-identify nimo ang mga errors o imong fix ang imong code. How to develop strong programming logic. Solving problem and practicing regularly are necessary to develop strong programming reasoning. Here are some actions you can take to sharpen your reasoning. So, no, matong gingan ako no, practice gid and practice para mo nimo pag pagka developer mas mukan pa mas maayo. So, first So start with a simple problem. Begin by solving simple problem using a structured approach. Break down tasks and analyze the steps and solve them. So mag ang una gyud kailangan gid dito sa sa simple antod sa mo ato na sa medium or hard baron yang result na bitaw nga mga kuan code na imong panggamiton para di na ka magkuan ba di ka dito ka malibog. So na more gyapon to kay na no practice regularly practice lang yun antod sa makaya practice lang so antod na makahimo na ikaw og imong program ay makahimo kag imong kaugalingong system. Learn from others codes reviewing and understand code written by experienced developers can be provide insight into how logic is applied in different contexts. So ano kailangan gid ipugamo tanaw pud sa mga uban professional programmers no kanang ilang nahimo bitaw ilang na publish nga system imo siyang imo siyang tan-awon ba yung giunsa nila unsay panggamit nila so ang browser may reference mo siya so mao na siya guys so conclusion programming logic forms the foundation of coding. It's a systematic approach of thinking and organizing instruction to create functional software, embracing logical thinking, breaking down problems, and applying structured solutions are key components for any budding programmer. By grasping programming logic, beginners pave the way for deeper understanding of the programming language and the ability to develop efficient and effective software solution. So, more to guys. So, salamat sa inyong pagpaminaw sa akong report. Thank you.